Guys, we're here at Blue Cafe. It's a 20-minute tricycle ride from White Bada where we are staying. So dito kami magbe-breakfast for today before going back to Dumaguete. Ayan. So, diba, ang ganda ng view. Grabe. Ang sarap ng hangin dito, malamig. Yan. So, ito nga pala yung kanilang menu. So, they offer cocktails. They accept Gcash. And ang kanilang mga usual snacks.
Sorry, magkano po na?
1,990.
And drinks. Kanilang mga meals, I ordered the silog overload and some mango shake. Okay, so ito yung baba ng Blue Cafe. Yan, maski dito overlooking din yung mountains and forest. Ayan. Ay. So, diba guys, ang ganda. Ang chill mag-relax dito. Ayan. So, they also have this telescope pang view. Malamig guys. And talagang nature sounds lang yung maririnig mo dito. Huni ng ibon. Ayan. Let's try the telescope. Yun. Yan. So, after a few minutes, dumating na yung mga in-order naming mga shake and beverages. I ordered the mango shake, watermelon shake, and nag-Milo overload and matcha sila pa. So, ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Diba? Ang ganda din. After a few minutes, dumating na yung most of our orders, yung cereal bowl, chorizo silog. Tignan nyo naman guys, ang dami ng servings. Yung American breakfast. To silog. And yung kanilang silog overload. Ayan. Review. Kamusta?
10 out of 10 lahat.
Masarap lahat. Kayo?
10 out of 10.
Sarap, no? At maraming servings guys. Try nyo dito sa Blue Cafe. Dito sa Siquijor.
Yung
Worth
servings, kahit isang order lang, pwedeng pang share.
Oo nga. Mag-add rice na lang, no? Sa ulam. Masarap din yung mga drinks, guys. Ayan. Solid. Must try. So, ayan po ang aming Blue Cafe experience dito sa Siquijor. Thank you for watching and see you on our next videos.